It was now or never. We're getting out of here with the tide.
It was a rush.
Look how close we have to be to the channel markers.
Yeah.
I don't know. You think we'll make it?
That's low tide right there.
I'm seeing a lot of barnacles. Not on you. Okay, we have food. We have a way to cook it. We have chips, sunglasses, sunscreen, hot babes.
We're good for a day.
I brought my own babe. Look at the mud. We're kicking up mud. You're good. You're not really hitting it. You're just dredging the channel.
Pushing it around.
Yeah. Looks like it's raining. It's just water off of the top. I got gas to cook with.
What about gas to go with?
What does it look like?
Quarter of a tank.
Yeah, we're good for the day. We're not going to go very far, right? See, now that's a bad sign when you see the grass like that. Chop it up, baby. You're running clean back there. I think you could speed up now and plane out. When the front dips down, then ease into it. No, you're good, you're good. Don't. All right, Farm Girl says I have to stand in the front, lift the motor. Now you planed out a little bit because you slowed down.
Yeah.
You either got to go fast or slow, Jen.
Huh?
You've either got to go, that stinks.
It smells like poop.
It is, it's a lot of fish and bird and turtle poop. Yeah, now you're not kicking up any mud.
Look at my visor.
Yeah. Did Elle get you that?
No, my mom.
Your mom? Okay.
For my birthday.
Oh. Farm Girl just had her 54th birthday in New Bern, North Carolina. We're going there for your 100th. A few years from now.
Yeah. Like tomorrow.
Time to get gas again. Are you going in?
I see all those fish.
Go get your fish.
Yeah.
Not without something to throw.
Have fun.
Thanks, have a good one.
We're surfing. Did you bring your phone? We'll be there soon, little doggy. What you making?
Hot dog. Dog, lucky dog.
There ain't no hot dog.
Brats.
That's a brat.
Get your brat, Gina.
What you doing, country girl? Is it farm girl or country girl?
Waiting for my brat. Better watch out.
Slow down, Dad.
How fun is that?
Yeah. You get enough to eat?
Huh?
Did you get enough to eat? It looks awesome. Oh, we've got it. We kind of got it to ourselves now. There was a guy that Jen and I were watching down here, a father with his two kids, two boys, and they caught a fish and they threw it up on the beach to die.
I don't like that.
It's not cool. And I went down there and the father had moved on and he's just like catch and kill, teaching his kids, catch and kill. So it's a trash fish. Throw it back for the turtles to eat,
Yeah.
or whatever. Huh?
Is the tide coming in now?
Yeah, I think so. I want to show you something. Here. That's a cone snail, and they're highly venomous, as one of our subscribers had pointed out recently. Yeah, there's a variety of
Maybe that's what stung me on my ankle today.
species of these, but it's going to be hard for it to sting you, but they can.
Out of the cone or?
Well, the little creature has some kind of
Oh, yeah.
apparatus that it puts into you. But that's a really small one.
Oh, here's one.
Yeah. Now, hold it to your bosom. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do it.
Try it. Try it. It's gonna go.
Yeah. Like a cow killer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now see, you can't even see the damage. Oh, there it is. Got a good half dozen for you?
Yeah.
All right. You want to get some boudin out of the freezer?
Sure.
Thank you, sir. You got crabs.
I got crabs, man. I'm doing my workout. Stop it.
It is gorgeous out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Put
is
the boat out.
high tide.
Want to go do a little spin?
We're cooking.
Huh?
We're cooking.
I know.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Look at that.
So pretty.
Look at that.